Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Basically, I would like to share how to make color. Okay, how to creating the color, to visualize the color by from a model. Okay, I will show you very basic step how to make it coloring from the Autodesk Alias Concept. Okay, now you have the Alias Concept, the software. Okay, try to figure out a moving around. Okay, next, let me show you how it make it more simple step. Okay, let's make it just simple model. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Now we have three balls. Over here, you have features, diagnostic shade. So you can play around. Okay, click this one. Yeah. Okay. One. Okay, you see. Today I will going to show you how to make coloring for these features. Visual State 3 Diagnostic Shader. Okay, mostly I'm using these features for quick coloring. Alright, stay tuned guys. Okay, I like using this because it shows reflection and the shadow. Okay, what is going to do next? Okay, now we have the first step. We already have the three circles or sphere. Okay, spheres. You have three spheres. So what we're going to do is, okay, now for this stage is default. So now we click, click this one and move to visualize. Okay, now we are waiting for the visualize. Okay, now we are in the visualize screen. Okay, basically in the visual screen, they have shaded library. They have fabric, glass, everything. So you see that it's very interesting because they have a lot of materials over here. Leather, luminous metal. Okay, I love going to use the metal steel, metal, wood, or everything. Okay, environments. This is most important, environments. Okay. Okay, please remember before we make it color, sometimes when we have the 3D data, so I prefer to make it tolerance, make it smaller tolerance, to make it very smooth surfaces. Okay, also you click this one, draw precision, make it full. So it will make the surface is getting more clear. Okay, please remember that one. All right. Let's see if we have the interesting. Okay, let's double click, and when we click double click, and they will have pops out over here. Add resident shaders. Okay, let's find two more. Got any crew? Oh, copper. We have copper. We got a copper here. Okay, copper. Click double click. Okay, now 1, 2. Let's find one more. Let's find a wood. How about the wood, bro? Wood architecture. Okay, this one. Okay, double key. All right, now we have three materials. Okay. Right. How to transfer these materials to here? Okay, very simple. Now we have assigns, pick objects, copy, and layer. All right. Click the object that you would like to change color, and click in the material and click assign. Ta-da! So simple as that. Okay, and remove the selection and click the selection that you would like to coloring. Copper. Click assign. Ta-da! That's cool. And click one more. Click wood. Sign. Perfect. Now you got. See, when you snap the screen, snap this screen, it's going to make it very interesting, very good for your presentation. I mean, it can show like presentation stage, presentation development. Okay, so next, more interesting, how to make it environment. Okay, let's see the environment. Okay, during the visualize, we had the library, so all the materials here. Let's move down. Below is the environment, so you see they have a lot of environments here. So let's click this one. You can click everything, every features, but click, double click, and automatically they will reflect on the environment. You see, that's cool. See, that's amazing. Okay, click another one. So you see they have some reflection here. All right, let's try another one. Hold. Okay, see, click again. This one for the night rendering. Okay, let's select this one. All right, next, I'm going to show you is how to make the background environment. Okay, please remember diagnostic shade, and let's see shade settings. Click shade settings, and it will be moved up here. Shade settings. Okay, click. Okay, over here they have use environment, show background. Okay, click show background, please. Ta-da! How cool is that? All right. All light. Okay, and sometimes around with this. Select warm cold. Okay, warm cold. Contrast. Maybe it's not so much. Let's change the background. Make it more brighter. Maybe brighter. Just click. Not too bright. Okay. They have quite limited environment. Okay, let's using this one more simple. All right. Okay, click again shade setting. Click the shape shadow. Shadows. Okay. Shadow glow. Yeah, just play around this, but mostly you just show background. Click the background. Click not ground plane. Okay. Remember this one. Okay, I think that's all for today. Very simple stage, simple lesson, but I hope it's very, very helpful for you guys for the beginner. Okay. All right. Last thing. Okay? Before I leave, okay. Before I leave, this is the quality, and if you like to produce in JPEG for your presentation, please file and export. Current window. All right. Current window, and please click JPEG. Specify image size, maintain aspect ratio, make it full, so it will be automatically following ratio because you click this one. Click go, and then you just somewhere in your download area. Okay, let's click this alias lesson. Click OK, and let's find out. All right. There we are. Ta-da! This is a JPEG format. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Okay, click full screen. That's all. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.